In this question, it is given that if plus sign is assigned to beneficial interaction and minus sign is detrimental and O or zero sign to neutral interaction, then the population interaction represented by plus minus refers to option A, commensalism. It is incorrect because it refers to a relationship where one organism benefits and the other is unaffected, that is neutral interaction. So this would be represented by plus and O. Option B, parasitism. Now, in parasitism, one organism, that is the parasite, benefits at the expense of the host. This interaction can be represented by plus and minus, where plus indicates benefits to the parasite and minus indicates the harm caused to the host. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, mutualism. It is also incorrect because it is a relationship where both organisms benefit from the interaction. So, this would be represented by plus and plus as both parties benefit. Option D, amensalism. It is incorrect because it is a relationship where one organism is harmed and the other is unaffected. So, this would be represented by minus and O.